In this video, I'll show you how to use your Canva Video Editor. So on the home screen, you can click on Video, or you can just click Create. Then you can click on Video right here. Then Canva will give you some suggested video size for social media. Alright, so you can scroll through them by clicking this arrow right here. Or you could even type in what type of video you would like to create. So if you want to create a TikTok video, you can type that in. YouTube video, you can type that in, and it would give you the template for the size of that video. There's also some templates below that you could scroll through that you could use that Canva provides, and you could edit them. A lot of them might be premium, but there are some free ones that you can use as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to create an Instagram reel. So if I click this button, if I click it back to the right, then I can click on this one, which is an Instagram reel. So I'll click on Instagram reel for now. Now that our Instagram video timeline has been open, we have our page right here, and we have our menu right here that we can use. So I'll click right here to close our menu. So next, what I will do is I will be uploading my videos and my photos that I'm going to use to edit my reel. So if I go to upload, click on upload, then upload files, and then I'll select the images that I would like to upload. So I'll click on highlight them. Alright, so I've highlighted my images and also my videos. So I'll click upload. So they are uploading at the moment. So if you want to add audio, you can click audio right here, and then Canva will provide some popular music or some recommended audio that you could use. You could search for the audios at the top right here. If you would like to use some of the audios that are provided by Canva, you can press play to hear them. So if you want to scroll through, you can scroll through and play a few of them, see if you like any.
Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you.
Alright, so there are lots that you could choose from. Some of them are premium audio that you would have to get with a paid plan, but I'm sure that there's a few free inside that you could use as well. Alright, so there's also the AI generated voice that you could use as well as your voiceover. So you could record a voiceover by clicking record voiceover. And if I click allow to allow my mic to be used for this recording, Canva will have a red button at the bottom here. You will click on record. There's a countdown. So now I am recording my voice as the voiceover for my video. And I'll click finish to end it, and we'll listen to it now. Click finish. So now my recording has stopped, and we can listen to it once it's loaded up. Once it has been loaded up, so let's click play. So now I am recording my voice as the voiceover for my video, and I'll click finish to end it, and we'll listen to it now. Click finish. Okay, so that's our voiceover that we just recorded. So for now, I'll delete it, and I'll click the three dots. When I hover over it, three dot comes up. I'll click the three dots, right click, and then I'll delete this track. So click delete track. Now that recording, or that audio that we just did the voiceover, has been deleted. We are still waiting for our images and videos to upload. I think they're a bit big, so that's why they're taking a while to be uploaded. So in the meantime, this area right here is our timeline, and on our timeline we will have our audio, our images, and our photos, and our text. This is our page where we can do our designs to our video, or adjust our video. edit our video as well. And right here is showing us how many seconds our video is at as it relates to this timeline, this black line right here. So the arrow is at 10 seconds, so it's displayed right here. So if I move it a bit to the left, now the arrow is actually at, the arrow with the line, the solid line, is at 6 seconds. So if I move it a bit further to the end, it's at 12 seconds. All right, so that's what's being indicated right here. Now this figure right here, which is 0.12, is representing the duration of the video. So the length of the video is 12 seconds. And if we add another page by clicking this plus sign right here, then our video have now become longer. So it's now added 5 seconds, so the duration is actually 17 seconds now. So if you want to add any type of like say page, which could be pages used for like another video or another image or element, you could just click add page, and then we have another page being added, and you could add a video to it, a photo, or you could add some sort of text or element to it. So I'll just remove them for now by right clicking, then I'll click delete page, and then right click on this one, then I'll click delete page. Up at the top right here, we can edit the timing of this page. Because we have this page selected, we can go to this button right here which has a clock, click on it, and then we can adjust the length of this page. So if we drag it to 5 seconds, which is 5.0s as shown right here, now this clip has been adjusted to 5 seconds only. So I'll drag it back up to 10 seconds, and then it has been saved. So if you want to change the page background from being white, you can click on this color wheel which says background color, and then now we can use one of the colors from our brand kit. So I'll click on purple, and now this page has now changed the color from white to purple. Alright, if you want to put it back to white, you can click on white, and then now it's back to white. If you want to slice or split, in this case, you could split the page in two. So the duration is now 10.5 seconds, and you can split it in two by clicking split. But you can line up the solid line with the arrow anywhere you want to split it. So if I move it to the right, I can split it right there by clicking the split button. Now it's split, and it's now 2 pages, alright, or 2 clips, because we're editing a video, so we could refer to these as clips as well. So I'll just click undo to undo it. Now if you want to trim, or you want to make your clip longer or shorter, you can click on your clip, and you can click and hold the edge. So I came to the edge right here, click and hold, and I drag it to the left to make it shorter, drag it to the right to make your clip longer. Alright, so you could adjust it this way as well to make it longer. So now I've made it 34.0 seconds. Alright, so 34 seconds. So that's how to trim and adjust your clips to make them shorter or longer. So I'll make this back short, so I'll bring it back to 10 seconds. Alright, so next we have now uploaded our images and our video. So click on uploads on the left hand toolbar, and I'll add my images. So I'll add this image, and I'll add a video. So click on video, add video. So that video has been added. So something that just happened is that I just placed the video and the image on the same page. So I'll click undo and I'll create a new page. So click on new page, add new page, and then I'll add my video. Alright, so I'm going to stop the music of the video by selecting the video, or the audio of the video by selecting the video, and I'll click this tool and I'll turn down that audio. Alright, so now let's play it. So now the audio is not playing, which is good for me based on the edit that I'm doing. So we'll extend this video to cover the entire page by clicking and selecting it. So just click on your video and click on the corner and drag outwards, click and hold and drag outwards to cover the page. Let's just click and drag it up, and then now it's covering the entire page. Alright, so I'm happy with that. So I'll make this page or this clip a bit shorter, but first I'll drag it over the entire page. So I'll drag the image over the entire page. So now it's covering the entire page and I'm happy. So let's make the clip a bit shorter, and we'll make this clip shorter by clicking on the clip, and then we'll go to this edit timing, and then we'll put 2 seconds. So I'll click and add 2 to it, and then I'll click enter. Alright, so now the length of it is 2 seconds, and I'll do the same for the video as well. Alright, so I'll do the same for the video. Select the video. So the video clip has been selected. Okay, so we'll click on the edge and we'll drag it to the left to make it 2 seconds. Alright, so now that we've made this second clip a bit shorter, we'll add some more pages. Alright, so I'll click add page, add another page, and I'll go to upload, click upload, and then we'll add another image. Oops, now we'll add a video to this page. Alright, so I'll turn down the audio for that video as well, and then I'll drag it to cover the entire page. Alright, so let's drag this down to make the timeline a bit smaller. Alright, so now it's covering the entire page. I'll click on the right side and drag it inwards to the left to make it 2 seconds. I'm only using 2 seconds because I don't want my clips to be too long. Alright, so I'll click on this clip or this page, then I'll go to image, and then I'll select this image, and I'll resize this image to be the entire page, to cover the entire page, that is, so that it's neat. Alright, so now that is there, I'll click on the outer part to deselect it. So I'll click on my clip right here, I'll go to the right hand side, alright, and I'll try to trim it a bit. So let's go right to the right hand side, click and hold and drag to the right, to the left, drag to the left. Alright, so now that we have our clips there, so we have 4 clips, so I'll add one more clip just for this video, and it would be a photo. So I'll click add page, and then we'll add another photo, which would be this photo right here, because we go to uploads and click this photo, and I'll resize it to cover the entire page. Alright, so now it's covering the entire page. I'm happy with that, and we're going to resize it to make it 2 seconds by clicking and holding the right edge of it and dragging it in to 2 seconds, and we could see 2 seconds right here when I drag. Alright, so click on the edge, and now it's 2 seconds. Alright, if you wanted, you could go right here and click edit timing and type in 2 and it would give you 2 seconds. All right, so now that we have our 5 clips, I'm happy with that. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna upload a audio. So audio file, we're gonna upload the audio file. So click uploads right here, click uploads, and then click upload files, and then select your audio on your desktop or your device. Click audio, and then click upload, bottom right corner. So now our audio is being uploaded, and we can select our audio. Now our audio has been added. All right, so let's just undo that. So this audio have some sort of copyright protection, but we're not paying attention to that at the moment. Let's clear that. So if you want to add an audio, you could just click on it right here, and then it will be added to your timeline, or you can click audio right here, and then you can add one of Canva's audio. All right, for now I'll use audio that I uploaded. So click upload, and then click on the audio that we just uploaded, and I'll clear that copyright message. All right, so now our audio has been added to the timeline. So if I press play, I'll hear the audio as well as see my images being switched and the video is being played as well. So let's click play. Alright, so that's my audio playing in the background. Alright, so if we right click, we can edit our audio by clicking adjust. Alright, so now that we click adjust, we could just adjust it a bit. So let's go back, click right click, click adjust. Alright, and then we can now fade the start, so by fading the in or fading the out. Alright, so now the in and out of the audio has been adjusted. So let's click play again. Alright, so that's our audio there. Alright, so if we want, we could adjust the audio volume as well. Click in volume, and now the volume, we could turn it up a bit higher if it's not loud enough. And then if we press play, okay, so that's how to do a simple edit. If you want to add text, you can click on text, and then you could add a text box to whichever page you have selected, or you could add any type of elements that you would like to add as well. Alright, so let's undo that for now. So if you wanted to add an element, you could also do that, alright, by clicking your element here. So we don't want to add any elements. So that's how to edit a video in Canva, and basically doing your adjustments as it relates to upload your audio, upload your videos, and upload your photos, as well as trimming, alright, and adjusting your timing of your clips. So I'll see you guys in the next video.